Hello and welcome to Be Informed. If you want to run a business that makes money and has customers all over the world, you should first know how e-commerce works in your country. In e-commerce, it doesn't matter where you buy from or sell to. The only thing that matters is where your business is registered. You have come to the right place if you want to learn more about e-commerce. In this video, we shall talk about how you can start your dropshipping business in Qatar with AliExpress step by step. If you want to know if dropshipping is legal in Qatar, the answer is yes, it is. When you sell something online through a legal supplier, you are just a middleman or a reseller. The question that comes up is what you are selling and how you are selling it. If we talk about Qatar and you are selling guns or medicines that are not allowed in Qatar, it is illegal to buy or sell such product in any way in Qatar. Now let's talk about how you sell. Now you have two options. Under first option, you can use established marketplaces. E-commerce marketplaces are like Shopify, eBay, Wiz or BigCommerce. Under this option, you can either choose to create and register a company in Qatar and then register the domain name as well. If you talk about Qatar, some of the top Shopify stores are Starlink Online, Store 975 and Care and Cure Pharmacy. You can check their online stores and I'm sure you have come by their physical stores as well. Next option is use your social network accounts. You can use other social media platforms to market your products like Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Third option is blogs and forums. You can join blogs and forums to sell your products. Blogs and forums bring like-minded people together, but they are not designed to fully support a functional web store. Same is the case with social network accounts where the level of customer trust is low. If you are seriously interested in establishing a functional web store, then this is not a proper way. So what is the right way? It is to become an official registered e-merchant in Qatar or in any country you are living. In this video, we are talking about Qatar, so I will give you the example of Qatar. To become an official e-merchant in Qatar, first create a website and register it in Qatar. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry (MOCI) and the Ministry of Transport and Communication (MOTC) will be involved. You will be required to register domains and trademarks. You can also apply for the Thika e-commerce trust mark. Thika in Arabic means trust. This badge of trust gives peace of mind to customers that they are buying from a trusted company. In Qatar, Jazby.com is one example of an online store that got Thika trust mark among many other stores. Thika badge is visible on their website as well. Online businesses can register their domains with CRA, Communications Regularity Authority. It's a Qatar domains registry that governs Qatar-specific internet domains. So this is the process of becoming an e-merchant or establishing an e-commerce business in Qatar. If you have any questions in your mind or you want to know more about e-commerce, write down a comment in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe this channel as well. Now let's talk about how to start dropshipping business with AliExpress. In the past few years, AliExpress has gotten a lot of attention because big businesses have talked a lot about AliExpress and how AliExpress helped them grow their businesses. They claim that AliExpress has a reputation for being a magical online store that doesn't cost anything to start. Regarding the cost of establishing an e-commerce business, we shall talk in another video. If you want to know about this, write down in the comment section. You have probably heard of Chinese billionaire Jack Ma. He is an Asian's Jeff Bezos. Jack Ma couldn't find Chinese products online, so he started the company Alibaba. No doubt, his platform has revolutionized global e-commerce by connecting Western buyers with Chinese and Asian sellers. Alibaba is a wholesale site. On this site, sellers usually have minimum bulk order requirements, and on Alibaba website, you pay Chinese manufacturers via bank transfer. Whereas AliExpress is for small sites that don't stock the product. AliExpress sell and accepts credit cards as well. In AliExpress, instead of buying from the manufacturer, you are buying from the third-party sellers. The low price and buyer protection at AliExpress make it ideal for dropshippers. So before starting the dropshipping business using AliExpress platform, it's better to take a look at the pros and cons of this platform. So first, take a look at the pros of this platform. AliExpress has a huge database of hundreds of millions of products, so you don't have hard time finding what you need. Starting a dropshipping business with AliExpress is 100% free, while other services like worldwide brands and Doha charge hundreds of dollars in startup and monthly fees. AliExpress prices are low and allow for a lot of profit product trends that appear on AliExpress overnight. When a trend like fidget spinner shows up, you can bet you can find that product on AliExpress. If we talk about the cons of this platform, dropshipping can take more than a month in some cases. However, e-packet shipping is the services that is introduced by China and Hong Kong, which has reduced this delivery time from month to 12 to 15 days. So if you want to know more about e-packet shipping, watch this video till end. If a customer orders 3 products from 3 different suppliers, there's no way to ensure they arrive at the same time. So this is one of the drawbacks. AliExpress also provides payment from your credit card, so it takes a few days for your credit card to be verified at first. So if you set up a shop, build enough time into your first sale to avoid angry customers. AliExpress suppliers may not speak English well, causing communication problems. So this was a little introduction about AliExpress. Now let's talk about the plan for dropshipping with AliExpress. First, decide your product niche. Do the initial search and find the most popular and in-demand product. Here, don't forget to find your competition, because 20 products will have huge price margins as well as a lot of competition. Idea is to find a product that is popular but doesn't have as much competition. This is the most difficult and hard part for the dropshipping business. Or I have to say that this is the real work you have to do for your dropshipping business. If you sell the right product in the right market, you can make money while you sleep. You can find the best categories for a dropshipping site by using Google AdWords, using Keyword Planner. You can find keywords that are related to your niche and how popular they are in some places and languages. Second step is choose a domain name and hosting provider. Choose a domain name very carefully because it's gonna represent your store forever. Prefer to select .com domains as they are widely considered to be more trustworthy. After selecting your domain name, next step is to select the host. WordPress platform is the lightweight script that is compatible with nearly all web hosting companies. There are thousands of hosting companies to choose from which offer one-click WordPress platform installation. Let's say host Qatar. Their annual plan starts at $3.96 per month. Next is GoDaddy. Their web hosting plan starting at $5 per month. Or you can consider Ali Dropship. Their plan starts at $4 per month. They are perfectly optimized for Ali Dropshipping plugin. Third step is install WordPress. Installing WordPress is a simple process. First, download WordPress from its official website. Then there are 2 options to install WordPress. One is quick installation or manual installation. Step 4, set up Ali Dropshipping plugins. When you are done with installation of WordPress, you are required to set up Ali Dropship plugins. With this plugin, you can easily search for products and add products to your site by specifying categories, keywords, and search volumes. There are many other keywords available which you can use for filter. Changes in product prices, variations, and inventory are auto-updated through this plugin. They have built-in themes that you can easily customize. So after you have done with all these plugins, fifth step is fill your store with products. There is no limit on number or type of products to add in your store. Ali Dropshipping makes this process very simple. It's recommended to choose such products which offer free shipping or very cheap e-packet shipping. As most of the products on AliExpress comes from China, e-packet not only provides cheapest but also the fastest delivery for small goods. E-packet shipping also provide tracking option. If you are dropshipping to Qatar from China, you can use DHL e-packet shipping services. Their rate is $1.5 for less than 1 kg. And their estimated delivery time is between 12 to 15 days. You can add products to your site by just clicking the import button on the product page. If you want to change the title, description, or the price for this product, you can click edit. From there you can change and then import. To add the markup to original price, Ali Dropshipping plugins helps you with a price automation system, which is very useful feature. This feature provides you with a perfect markup, neither high nor low. Sixth step is, now it's time to market your dropshipping business. There are several ways to do this. You can use social media marketing, Facebook ads, video marketing, email marketing, or SEO of your own website, where you can optimize your website with such keywords that it's ranked high in search. Last step is earn. Yes, when you get an order, what you have to do. With the dropshipping plugin, this process is made even easier. Go to the Your Orders section and click the Place Order button. When you get an order, the plugin will go to AliExpress. It will find the product you want and place an order for you by filling in all the necessary information, including shipping information. And that's it. Order will be delivered by Ali Dropshipping. You will pay AliExpress the original price and the profit is in your pocket. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for your time for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, remember to subscribe. Don't worry, it's free. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Take care.